Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to give you a quick demo and overview of this Tascam BR-20T. It has a very smooth tape transport, as you can see. This model is with timecode. I'm not going to use timecode. Look at how smooth the transition from play to forward is. And from forward to play. The braking is very gentle. Now I'm pressing the locate button and it automatically winds to the correct position. Now I'm pressing autoplay because I forgot that, and now when you go to the location it automatically starts playing. As you can see. There's also an edit function, and with edit you can use the wind keys to preview the tape, but you can also use your hands to manually rotate the reels, like so. And the machine keeps the tape tension so you can listen to the tape. All in all, a very smooth tape transport. Now I'll show you some other functions of this deck. Of course you have the repro, sync and input select, and I've configured the deck so that both channels, left and right, switch simultaneously between those modes. The rec enable is configured for each channel separately. You have a reel size selector for the left and the right reel size separately. You can switch between large or small. You can switch the reference level between 250 nanoweber per meter and 320 nanoweber per meter. You can switch the equalization between NAB and IEC. Of course you can switch the output between uncalibrated and calibrated, and the same for the input. Tape speed is of course switchable between low and high, and you have variable speed control. And the level of the monitor output, the phone's output, is variable. Now I'll show you some other functions. We have locator buttons and a tape counter. You can reset the tape counter, and you can also address a location on tape directly through timecode. So 1 minute and 13 I select here, and then I press go to, and the deck winds to that location, and because autoplay is enabled it will start playing there. Then we have various locator buttons, 1, 2 and 3. You can store them by pressing memo 1, 2 and 3, and you can wind to them by pressing lock 1, 2 and 3, as you see. We have of course a return to zero function. So practically you have 4 memory locations. We can of course enable the timecode but I'm not going to use that. And we have a spool mode, a special spool mode, which is also called archive mode, which winds very delicately for storing tape for longer periods of time.